Welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Lesson. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Lesson, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve your all queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about application of quadratic equations. Today we continue with arithmetic progressions. It is an important chapter of class 10 syllabus. What is arithmetic progressions? Arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progressions. What do you mean by sequence? Sequence or pattern. You know very well what is sequence or pattern. Pattern of some number or sequence of sub number. Means writing the number in some pattern. In some particular pattern. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. A sequence or a pattern is the arrangement of certain numbers in a definite order or according to some rule. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a sequence. Here the numbers are present all at even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 all are even numbers. Then another example here, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. A1 is first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6. In this way we can find nth term. We can find nth term. Here another pattern is or sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Here is also the representation of certain numbers in a particular or a definite rule. Here 1 means 1, first number 1 square. Second A1 is 1 square, first number. A2 is 2 square. A3 is third number is 3 square. A4 the fourth number is 4 square. In this way nth number is n square. This is the representations of a group of numbers or a sequence of numbers which is in according to some certain rule. Find first 3 terms in each of the sequence. Here is an example given. Here is the example given. Here is the sequence is an is 3n plus 2. Here the sequence is in the certain rule. Here an is 3n plus 2. Here means here A1 is 3 into 1 plus 2 means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Second term A2 is 3 into 2 plus 2 means 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. In this way we can find out the numbers. Nth term is 3n plus 2. In this way, take another example. Here another example is given a certain pattern or sequence. An is n square plus 1. An is n square plus 1. Here we have to find out A7 and A9. A7 and A9. Here an is n square plus 1. A7 is 7 square plus 1. This is 49 plus 1 is equal to 50. Then A9, ninth term is 9 square plus 1. This is 81 plus 1 is 82. Here A7 is equal to 50 where An is equal to 82. In this way we can find out another example is given. Find the 18th term. Find the 18th term of the sequence. 18th term of the sequence where An is equal to n into n minus 3 upon n plus 4. N into n minus 3 into upon n plus 4. Here A of 18 is equal to 18 into 18 minus 3 upon 18 plus 4. This is equal to 18 into 15 upon 22, which is equal to 135 upon 11. In this way, here another example, the question is an is equal to 3n minus 2 upon 4n plus 5. Here we have to find out what is A7. What is A7? A7 is equal to 3 into 7 minus 2 upon 4 into 7 plus 5, which is equal to 21 minus 2 upon 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5, which is equal to 19 upon 33. These are the sequence. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is also a type of sequence in which the numbers are arranged in a certain order such that what is arithmetic progression? Look at here. Arithmetic progression is also Arithmetic progression is also a sequence. Arithmetic progression is also a sequence in which there is a certain rule or in a certain rule in which the terms are present where is a common difference between them. Suppose an example 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. This is a sequence in which first A1 is 1, A2 is 4, A3 is 7. Here A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Here A4 is equal to 10. And A3 minus A2 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Here A4 minus A3 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Means here we find out there is a common difference between the consecutive two numbers. This is 3. This is called arithmetic progression in which there is a common difference D. This means A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A3 is equal to A2 plus D. A4 is equal to A3 plus D. Okay. In this way we can write A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A3 is equal to A1 plus 2D. A4 is equal to A1 plus 3D. This is called arithmetic progression in which there is a common difference between two consecutive numbers. There is a common difference between two consecutive numbers. In this way we can write the arithmetic progression as I erase in next page. In this way we can represent the arithmetic sequence in the way, suppose first number is A, second is A plus D, third is A plus 2D, then next A plus 3D. In this way the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, in which first term is A, the common difference is D. In this way the nth term can be represented as A plus n minus 1 into D. Thus A1, A2, either we can write this is A1, A2, A3, A4. In this way this is nth term. An is an arithmetic progression or AP. This is if they have it is called an arithmetic progression or AP if they have a common difference between two consecutive numbers. They have a common difference between two consecutive numbers. Between two consecutive numbers. Okay. Suppose here I A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to A4 minus A3, which is equal to A5 minus A4. In this way, which is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. This is the common difference, is called D. The common difference is called D. Here another example. Here the sequence is 11, 7, 3, minus 1. Here the first term A1 is equal to 11, A2 is equal to 7, A3 is equal to 3, A4 is equal to minus 1. Here A2 minus A1 is equal to 7 minus 11 is minus 4. Here A3 minus A2 is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4. In this way, A4 minus A3 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Here the common difference D is minus 4. Here the common difference D is equal to minus 4. Okay. Then another example. The example says, here another example. So that the sequence, here the sequence is given AN is equal to 4N plus 5. AN is equal to 4N plus 5. So that it is an AP. Here A1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 5. This is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then A2 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Then another A3 is equal to 4 into 3 plus 5. This is 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. In this way, we can find AN equal to 4 into n plus 1 plus 5. 4 into n plus 1 plus 5. In this way, AN plus 1, this is Nth term, this is AN is this. Nth term is 4n plus 5. AN plus 1th term is 4 into n plus 1 plus 5. Then here the common difference is D is, if there is a common difference D exists, then can we say that it is an arithmetic progression. Then find out. Let us take A2 minus A1. This is 13 minus 9. This is 4. Then A3 minus A2. This is 17 minus 13. Here is also 4. In this way, we can find out AN plus 1 minus AN. AN plus 1 is 4 into n plus 1 plus 5 minus AN is equal to 4n plus 5. Then multiply this 4n plus 4 plus 5 minus 4n minus 5. 4n cancel, 5 cancel. The difference is 4. Here we can find the common difference is 4 in everywhere. Here we can find yes, this is a sequence, this sequence is an AP, this sequence is an AP with common difference, D is equal to 4. Okay, then students, today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with this AP. Thank you students. Happy learning.